Hi guys, good morning. As I promised, I'm going to go up to my roof up here above my garage to show you my passion fruit vine. Well, first, it's a beautiful day and we should say hi to Mittens first. Hi Mittens, how are you? You love being in the garden with me, don't you? He's just soaking in the sun with his big fluffy fur. Okay, well, let's go. And I'm going to climb on the roof. Oh, forgot to tell you, it got a boo-boo on my finger when I was like, oh, we should wear gloves. I got poked by an earwig, which is those little bugs with the pointy things on their butts. They don't usually bite people, but I picked up my gloves and it was hiding underneath, and then he poked me in the finger. So just if you ever get poked by something in the soil, just wash your hands with soap and water and then put a Band-Aid on it so that you don't get any more dirt in there. Okay, so let's go. And here we go. Oh, well, here's a couple of, before I go up there, I want to show you these, but these are some passion fruits that I had gotten because they already fell off of the roof because they're really ripe. And I'll have another video, or if you go back to one of my videos about making a cocktail, I cut one open, you can see the inside of it. It's yellow and juicy with little black seeds. So here's 3 passion fruits that I had gotten. And actually, I'm just gonna leave them right here because I don't need to carry them back to the roof. So plop, put it right here, and then here we go. Okay, and another thing for safety, if you're gonna climb on the roof, you should always have somebody, what is that called? Spotting you, so that you know that you're going to be safe and you can come up and down with, out without getting stuck on the roof or something happening. So Andrew, my cameraman, is here, so he's watching me and filming me, so I'm pretty safe, and I've done this a bunch of times, so should be okay. Okay, here we go. And I like to be barefoot because I have better grip. Okay, thank you, Andrew. Oopsies. Look, I just dropped my clippers. Okay, let me hang my basket here. And then Andrew will get my clippers for me after I get up here. Hold on. Hold on to my branch. Okay. Will you quickly grab my clippers for me, Andrew, while you're there? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, you lost track of me right there. Okay. All right, guys. Well, as we walk over to the passion fruit vine, this is my apple tree. There's no apple. Oh, no. Sorry. This is my plum tree. Got mixed up. And there's no plums on it right now. And then coming over next is my apple tree. So this way. This is my apple tree here. And well, since it's fall, and look at this. This is the passion fruit. It's very aggressive. Look at it. It's already climbed onto my apple tree. Very naughty. Okay. Let me just pull it off here. And then this is, well, okay. I was able to get it off. Okay, look at this passion fruit vine. Super aggressive. Let me put this down here. I'm gonna hang my basket here with my clippers so I don't lose them. And let's see if I can untangle it. Okay. Whew, look at it. It's all raveled in here like this, all crazy. So I'm gonna untangle it so that it stays on the roof and not strangling my trees, my poor fruit tree. Okay, here we go. Oh, look, there's a little passion fruit. This one is not ready because it's still green. So like the one I showed you earlier, when it turns purpley brown, that's when it's ripe. So here's a little baby one that's not ready yet. But anyways, I'm gonna move it because it shouldn't be over here. Moving it back onto the roof. Okay, here we go. It's kind of like unknotting yarn if you're a knitter. Okay, here we go. And then I have my clippers here, so randomly, like, here's kind of a yucky branch that I'm gonna prune off. There we go. So this here is my peach tree next to my apple tree, and it's a grafted peach, so I get 2 kinds of peaches. There's yellow peaches and white peaches. So later on, hopefully next year when it's peach season, I'll show you a video and show you how wonderful and beautiful my peaches are. Okay, so come on over. Okay, whew. Uh-oh. Looks like the squirrels have gotten to most of them. Not seeing too many passion fruits left here. Eugh, I'm gonna have to get a bag for this. Okay, there's a couple here, but all these vines are passion fruit vines. Over here. And then here. I don't know if you can see me through all the branches. How's it looking? Yeah? It looks like okay. Okay. Here is a passion fruit vine. See, this is so tangled in my peach tree. I'm not going to be able to just pull it back. So I'm just going to do a little trimming here. I'm just going to trim it off. Doink. There we go. And put it back over here. Because the thing with the passion fruit is it's kind of an aggressive vine, and it will climb on any branches of other trees or bushes and then kind of strangle them, and you don't want them to do that because you want your peaches to be healthy. Let me just trim this. Okay, that's a different. Okay, you want to come over this way, Andrew? And then I will just talk from this corner if I can get over there. Okay. All right, this vine is huge. As you can see, it's like covering my whole entire garage. We've already collected about over 100 passion fruits. And I'll have a little clip of the basket that we had collected earlier in the season. But here we go, over here. Okay. Here's one. Okay, well, I'm on the roof, and look at this. All of this is my passion fruit. This came from one single vine, one plant, one little branch, one cutting. It's grown across the whole roof. This long line is from the one I just pulled off of the tree right here, my peach tree. And where the passion fruit originally started, if you want to pan all the way over to the left, past my avocado tree, the root of the passion fruit starts down there. So somehow it was able to grow up to the fence, climb up the avocado tree, all the way across to the roof of the garage, and now it's sprawled all over the roof of the garage. Anyways, one vine, nature, and its amazing strength and beauty, and this helps keep the roof cool, sun off of the roof, keeps our garage cool. It looks nice, and we get beautiful, delicious passion fruit too, all at the same time. So thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you, nature. And this passion fruit vine, look at it, it's all the way over here onto this tree. So I'm just gonna trim it back a little bit. And then these branches we can actually propagate. So if I stick them in some water, root them, I'll get a whole nother passion fruit vine out of it. So I have given these away. And of course, if you're local and you would like a passion fruit vine, let me know, and I'm happy to give one to you. And you'll have a passion fruit all for yourself, and it will go crazy like this, growing all over your roof. Do you want to just do a quick pan and show how much passion fruit is on the roof? Look, it's like all the way across my garage. Pan over. Wow, look at all that. Okay. Lots of passion fruit to share. Thank you, guys. There's some couple of passion fruits here. Oh, hi guys. Okay, so here's a couple of boxes I just opened. And here's some passion fruits that haven't been eaten by the squirrels, thank goodness. So I have a couple left, and I'm just gonna continue harvesting them, putting them in my basket, and I'll climb down from the roof in a little while. Okay, thanks for listening, and happy hunting. Okay, bye.